Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Barber Master. Guys, in this video you will find some flawless phase haircut transformation for you. In this video we have gathered some of the trendiest skin fade, taper fade, mid fade, drop fade and lots of other options for you. So don't skip this video, watch this video to learn, you will enjoy. And here you can see that guy got perfect skin fade with shape of line, and that looks more prettier and fresh, and that was literally flawless fade. We are moving to next one, and in this video as you can see this guy have huge tops on the and faded on the side, and this is gonna be a huge high top fade and flat top. And here is the final product, and this guy got mid skin fade with natural shape of line, and that high fade was literally flawless. And this is gonna be a most beautiful high temp fade with natural shape of line. That's perfect. That hairline looks so natural. I don't know why, but this guy looks so confused. And let's see what's gonna happen. This guy have most beautiful afro here. So you're waiting for the final product. So finally the process has been started. So let's see. And here is the final look. The mid drop fade with perfect afro and some natural shape of line. And as we are moving the most famous haircut among the every guys like the buzz cut. If you really love to have short hair, the buzz haircut is the right haircut idea for you. Anyways, we are moving to the next one, and in this video, as you can see, this guy have huge wolf chops, and this is gonna be a most probably the low tapper fade with natural shape of line. And as per I said, here is the final look, and this guy got low tapper fade with perfect shape of line, and that's the most beautiful haircut transformation of the day. Anyways, we got another wolf chops transformation. This guy have most beautiful 360 waves. And here is the process has been started, and here is the final touches, and I think this is gonna be a most beautiful line of a haircut transformation at least I have ever seen on internet. Oh my gosh. Anyways, we have another 2 month old hair right here, and this is gonna be also wolf chops. And let's see what gonna happen. That C cup is so precise and shape of line was also flawless, and that all the services was just top notch. The skin fade with shape of line and perfect C cup, and that beard trim also looks pretty handsome according to his backline's face shape. This guy spends $75 every week to getting a haircut. That's so expensive. I think it's worth it to spend $75 every week on a barber shop and you're getting haircut like this. I think it's worth it. Anyways, we are moving the last haircut transformation of the day. As you can see, this guy have most beautiful braided buns, and he is looking for some faded on the side, because when you've got huge hair on the top, the faded sides looks most beautiful. Step by step high mid fade on the side, and here is the final touches, and here is the final product. I hope you had enjoyed all of this crispiest haircut transformation. That was last but not least haircut transformation, guys. Thank you so much for watching videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, turn the post notification to get update for every upcoming upload like this.